we'll guide you through how to move data from ClickUp to Notion. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, launch Google Chrome or any web browser of your choice, and make sure you have a stable internet connection before accessing ClickUp. Once your browser is ready, go to clickup.com by entering the website address into the address bar. Click the profile icon in the top right corner of the screen to open your account menu. From the available options, select Settings to access your personal ClickUp settings and account preferences. On the Settings page, scroll through the available options until you find the Import or Export section. Once you locate it, open the Import or Export menu to access the available import and export tools for your workspace. From the available options, select Export instead to begin exporting your ClickUp data. Click the Location drop-down and choose the location that you want to export, for example, a space together with its lists. After selecting the export location, click Start Export to begin generating the export file. Once the export has been prepared successfully, click Download Export to save the exported CSV file to your computer. Next, go to your Notion workspace and open the page where you want to import your ClickUp data. Click the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the page to open the page options. Scroll down through the menu and select Import to begin importing external data into Notion. From the available import options, select CSV as the file-based import option. Click Choose File to browse the files stored on your computer. Locate the exported CSV file that you downloaded from ClickUp, select it, and click Open to upload the file into Notion. After the file has been uploaded, click Map CSV headers to review and match the imported columns with the appropriate database properties in Notion. Once everything looks correct, click Import CSV to complete the import process. You have now successfully moved your data from ClickUp to Notion.